quick guide on how to use the Rainfall Mapper tool through the Visualising Australasia's Soils website. From the website landing page, locate the Rainfall Mapper card and click on it. This opens the Rainfall Mapper information page, where you can read a brief description of the tool. To open the interactive portal, click the green Access button. The Rainfall Mapper portal includes an overview of how the tool works and a How to Get Started section. The main steps are to navigate to your area of interest, select the drawing tool, define an area on the map, and then use query mode to explore rainfall over time. Hovering over the information icon beside the first instruction shows that users can navigate within the coverage area of the available radars. It also explains that the maximum selection size is 20,000 hectares, which is approximately a 14 kilometre by 14 kilometre square. A second information icon provides additional limits. Areas are restricted to 20,000 hectares, but when the selected period is longer than 5 months, the maximum area is reduced to 1,000 hectares. Besides the date fields, another information icon explains that rainfall data normally has a 2 to 3 day delay. The system may automatically adjust the selected dates to match the available data. Before starting, close or clear the layer panel on the right side of the map using the filter button, then select your preferred base map. For this example, we will use ESRI World Image, which provides satellite imagery and makes landscape features easier to identify. Next, zoom into your area of interest. In this example, we will select an area near Horsham, Victoria. Once you have zoomed in, select the drawing tool from the left-hand menu. Choose your required date range. For this example, we will use the last 7 days, while keeping the 2 to 3 day data delay in mind. Click once on the map to begin drawing. Move your mouse to create a rectangular area, then click again to complete the selection. If the selected area is larger than 20,000 hectares, the tool will not return rainfall data. Simply draw a smaller area and try again. When the selection is accepted, the tool retrieves the rainfall data and displays the results in the left-hand panel. The report includes minimum rainfall, maximum rainfall, total summed rainfall, the Bureau of Meteorology radar ID, time zone information, and details about any missing data. The selected area is divided into grid cells, with each cell representing approximately 500 metres by 500 metres. Rainfall values are shown in millimetres. The coloured grid helps visualise rainfall variation across the area. Different shades represent lower and higher rainfall values, while the labels show the rainfall amount recorded for each grid cell. The display options allow you to customise the map. Use the transparency slider to make the rainfall layer more or less visible over the base map. The Labels button allows rainfall values to be turned on, turned off, or displayed automatically depending on the zoom level. The Style button allows you to change the classification method. The default quantile option highlights relative variation across the selected area. The Equal Interval option uses fixed value ranges and is generally better for direct comparison, including identifying the highest rainfall cells. You can change the date range at any time. For example, change the selection from the last 7 days to year to date. Then click the Refresh button. The system will retrieve the data again and update the report and rainfall grid based on the new date range. To examine rainfall over time for a specific grid cell, switch from Draw mode to Query mode. Click on a grid cell of interest, and the left-hand panel will generate rainfall charts for that location. The daily rainfall chart shows rainfall recorded on individual dates within the selected period. The cumulative rainfall chart shows how rainfall has built up over time. Hover over the chart to view individual values. To save a chart, click the Image Download button. The chart will be downloaded to your computer as a PNG file. To return to the full rainfall grid, switch back to Draw mode and click Refresh. You can also close the left-hand panel using the X button to display the map in a larger view. Rainfall Mapper allows users to select an area, visualize rainfall variation, compare rainfall values, and examine daily and cumulative rainfall trends for individual grid cells. This completes the basic workflow for using Rainfall Mapper through the Visualising Australasia's Soils website.